Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to Fan Feature Friday. Hope you all had a great week and an even better weekend. This week's Fan Feature Friday comes all the way from Canada. We have Richard from Montreal. He has a 2012 Toyota 4Runner Trail Edition, and he's also ordered a 2019 TRD Pro, so he should be getting that one in soon. His Instagram is Yeti TRD Pro. I'll put that on the screen and also down in the description for you guys if you want to follow his amazing build. So let's get right into it right now. Some of the mods he's done. On the exterior, he has five LED light bars, 2 ditch LED lights, grill guard, and this part right here is making his vehicle his. A splash wrap. That wrap on the side looks so sick. A roof basket, rock lights, RBP steps, a 3-inch lift kit by ProComp, AFE cold air intake, Magnaflow exhaust. Those two combinations, that truck probably runs very, very well. 1.25" wheel spacers, XD series rims with nitto trail grappler tires, and a safari snorkel. Some of his interior mods is a head unit by Kenwood with the navigation, full kicker sound system, and amplifiers for the bass and speakers. Richard is a car enthusiast, so that's why this interior looks so clean like that, and he has that box set up on the rear cargo tray, which actually looks really, really well, and he's won awards and everything at car shows when I was creeping on his Instagram. Some future mods to come is none. This thing is completely done for him, and since he's ordered the 2019 4Runner TRD Pro, he says this one is for sale. So, Fan Feature Friday turns into bluetrdjon does classifieds for everyone. So thank you, Richard, for sending in this build. I hope your TRD Pro 4Runner is going to be something even better than this, because this is pretty freaking awesome. Thank you again for sending yours in. Guys, I've been flooded with Fan Feature Fridays, so I may up it to 2, because every Fan Feature Friday that goes out, I get like 6 applications from that. So I thank you guys for sending it in. If you haven't yet, the email is down in the description to send it in. Just send what mods you have, future mods you want, social media if you have it, and awesome pictures too. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. All right, see you later. If you guys want to be featured in Fan Feature Friday, go ahead and shoot me an email at bluetrdjon@gmail.com. Give me your name, your vehicle. It doesn't have to be a 4Runner. It could be a Tundra, Tacoma, old Celica, Supra. Doesn't matter, just as long as it's a Toyota. And go ahead and give me your location in the United States, or if you guys are out of the United States, let me know what country you guys are watching from. If you guys have a social media, go ahead and put that as well so all of us can start following you. Let us know what modifications you've done to the vehicle and any future modifications that you have to come for your vehicle that you're excited about. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead, and I'll see you guys next Friday.